We are now starting to offer generators, whole home generators. These can be used for the whole home entirely, gas furnace, all the appliances, every outlet, or they can be designed for specific components. I'm sure everyone remembers 2021 and how brutal that was with nobody having power or rolling power. This is 100% your power source. So this is a self-sustaining unit for your whole home in any kind of outage. We get a big storm that rolls in, every power line's destroyed, a tornado or even a freeze. You will be 100% good and warm or cool no matter what season it is. If you've ever been affected by major power outages, please do call us. I mean, we'd love to come out and take a look and make sure your home is ready to go in uncertain events.